Our verdict. In our 2024 HubSpot CRM review, we'll highlight this leading platform's features, pricing, benefits and drawbacks. Is HubSpot right for your business? Summary. HubSpot is a cloud-based customer relationship management (CRM) platform that helps companies of all types and sizes track and nurture leads and analyze business metrics. It is suitable for business-to-business (B2B) and business-to-consumer (B2C) businesses across multiple industries like retail, real estate, marketing, sales, construction. HubSpot facilitates monitoring of outbound and inbound leads, sales pipeline management with automation, leads and contact management, email campaigning and tracking. Pros. 1. Core CRM software is free. 2. Real-time lead behaviors notification. 3. Personalized email sequences for leads as well as existing customers. Cons. 1. Per-user plans can get expensive for small businesses. 2. Only one email per contact. HubSpot CRM at a glance. HubSpot CRM enables sales and marketing teams to manage contacts, track deals, view sales pipeline in real time, identify high-quality leads to go after and automate email marketing. In this review, we'll be focusing on the Sales Hub products. Pricing. Besides the free plan, HubSpot CRM has 3 paid tiers: Starter, Professional and Enterprise. Free plan. Each free plan includes one deal pipeline, one team or department with unlimited users and up to 1 million contacts, companies, deals or task details. The downside is that it has only online support. There is no phone option. But HubSpot more than makes up for it by including these features per user per month. 1. Calling, maximum 15 minutes. Short calls can be made directly from the browser and you also have the option to record them, which facilitates automatic call tracking and CRM record keeping. 2. 5 templates. These templates help your team get up to speed with communications. You can also customize them to drive engagement for your campaigns. 3. Notifications, maximum 200. Real-time notifications enable your sales teams to be on top of assigned leads, form submissions, deal mentions and more. These notifications can be customized for web, desktop and mobile apps. 4. 5 snippets. Snippets are reusable text blurbs that can come in handy for real-time chatting as well as quick email responses. 5. 5 documents. Ability to upload, share and track up to 5 documents saves valuable time for your team. 6. 1 booking page. The booking page can be integrated with Google or Outlook Calendar, which you can share with others to schedule a meeting. All HubSpot CRM plans integrate with 500+ business apps including Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, Gmail, Outlook, Zapier, Salesforce, and more. Once you are comfortable using the free platform, you can opt for paid add-on features as required. However, keep an eye out for how much you are paying for the add-on features so that you smoothly graduate to the other paid tiers when costs start adding up. Sales Hub Starter. The Sales Hub Starter plan includes everything in the free plan with 8 hours per month of calling and up to 5,000 templates, snippets and documents. There are unlimited email open and click notifications, plus 2 deal pipelines under one team account. The new features that are available in this plan are: 1. Prospect. Prospect tool reveals which companies are visiting your website and the pages they're engaging with the most. 2. Messages. With Messages, you can chat with visitors in real time as they browse your site. 3. Sequences. Sequences automate follow-up emails for leads, freeing up valuable time for your sales team. Sales Hub Professional Plan. The Professional Plan includes everything that the Sales Hub Starter Plan has and increases call time to 16 hours per user per month. Additional features include 1. Up to 15 deal pipelines. 2. Up to 10 teams. 3. Up to 300 automated workflows. 4. Customized report builder. 5. Smart send times. 6. Salesforce integration. Smart send times is a really neat addition to your stable of CRM tools. HubSpot CRM analyzes sales activities using smart notifications and recommends what leads and activities to monitor. This makes it easier for sales reps to identify the leads that are ripe for conversion. Sales Hub Enterprise. Sales Hub Enterprise includes everything in the professional package, plus a range of other features. 1. Create custom objects. 2. Quote approvals. 3. Sales forecasting. 4. Sales analytics. 5. Predictive lead scoring. 6. Call transcription and recording. 7. Sales playbooks. 8. Single sign-on. 9. E-signature. HubSpot CRM Intuitive Dashboard. HubSpot CRM has a clean and simple visual dashboard that offers a real-time view of the entire sales funnel. You can customize the dashboard to add to the default modules or remove those that you do not want. In addition to this, the dashboard has an active area right in the middle where you do the actual work. This area can also be customized using the top navigation ribbon. Other benefits. If you integrate your email with your HubSpot CRM account, it enables you to get lots of CRM-related work done from your inbox. Whenever you open an email, a CRM window pops into the inbox, showing contextual information from the software. You can choose to attach emails to a CRM record and track clicks and open rates. Conversely, you can send emails directly from the software record. Within your email, you can use templates, sequences, documents, and embed your calendar.